Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you about Makita impact driver cordless type 40V Mac battery. I have two units, but in the same model, the model TD001G, and for the maximum torque 220 Newton meter, and it has many functions here. But in this video, I'm not test it. I just describe about the body. It's slim like 18 volt, but it have more powerful than 18 volt, and it have more function for fastening the screw. You can see it's slim, and the motor is brushless motor. And it have LED here. Yeah, you can see on left hand the battery is bigger because it's 4 ampere, and the right hand it's small battery, but it's the same voltage, but in different capacity. This one is small 2.5, and the height a little bit different also because the battery, if we remove the battery, it's the same. But this one I already install the hook, but this one is not yet. And I will show you the video closely.